sorpasso. Esecuzioni della sorpasso. That will say, before we will see carry out the execution of our maneuver, which is sulla corsia di marcia normale. How you take the enter the road again, we say you don't take the corsia again, we say you don't take comot, take over, take motor, and you want to come back to the corsia. Everybody they march, they go normally. So we'll see studying, and that's why they say it divide into 4 parts. So number one thing they tell us again for the condition take it then the super sare deve acheta si ke non vi. Now driver when say one overtake, we say get intention to overtake must make sure say they are short. Deve acheta si must make sure say they are short. Now the point of the two need to be assured. Now I want to read so the point of the song to me say before you go overtake, you must be assured of those things. Say those things are valuable for us to carry out that overtaking. That one is so. Okay. Number one dot with that place. Non vi sono segnali che vietano la manovra. There not going to be any sign maybe say go forbid them to carry out maneuver before you carry out maneuver. If there's any sign to carry way forbid you, you know if you carry out maneuver. One of those signs be divieto di sorpasso. Number two dot. La visibilità e la condizione della strada e il traffico sono tali da porta effettuare la manovra senza pericolo e senza costituire intralcio. Now the visibility, your vision, the condition of the road, the condition of the traffic, all of them join together. We say before you carry out your effort of maneuver, you must make sure say you know cause hindrances, you know cause dangers. We say the road go they where that means say the road go they where before you go overtake. Your vision will tell you say this place is clear before overtake. For overtake, I know cause pericolo and then I know cause hindrances, trash or hindrances, pericolo. We don't know what to be pericolo, which is danger. Number three does la lagenza della carreggiata consente alla manovra in posizioni di sicurezza. The largeness of that carreggiata, so then go tell us say it permits us to take out our maneuver in the condition of a safety distance. Number four dot, i conducente che lo possiede nella stessa corsia non abbia segnalato di svolta su passare e nessuno conducente che segue abbia già iniziato analoga maneuver. That to say you as a driver, which you don't proceed to carry out maneuver, must make sure say no other driver for your side don't they carry out maneuver, and no other driver already they give sign say one maneuver, and no other driver already starts to take out this maneuver. So now that one will make you maneuver. If you see person already starts, you know go fit carry out your maneuver. Say person one start, person already give sign like your trafficator, you know go fit carry out maneuver. So all those things you go see check out before you carry out your maneuver. The last dot for there. La strada si libera per un tratto sufficiente e consentire la completa esecuzione del sorpasso in relazione alla differenza di velocità tra i propri veicoli e quella da sorpassare e alla lunghezza dei veicoli. Okay, the road now must be free before you go. The road must be free and the space of that road must be efficiency, sufficiency before you go carry out that maneuver to let you know say you fit complete this maneuver wey they give you. So if you execute that maneuver, so you must make sure say the reality of that motorway, the reality and the difference of that speed wey you take the maneuver, so na proper one wey be say you go fit supersede the longness of that vehicle wey be say you dey try make you maneuver. So according to everything wey I don read, so they don give us the conditions, and I don read those conditions. All those conditions wey we dey see for front, they go one after the other. So let all these words dey new to you, and let them see dey old to you before we finish this relatively maneuver. Okay, now I go for the question. I give us just two questions to refresh our brief for what I don't read since. Number one question for 25002 say la manovra di sorpasso non va effettuata se lo spazio di visibilità risulta insufficiente per completare in sicurezza. È vero. For you to carry out your maneuver, so you know if you know the efficiency, if the space not the efficiency, the space not the visible, where the result they very inefficiency for you, insufficient for you to carry out the maneuver. I say me no carry out the maneuver because of security reason, because of safety reason. Let me down number one question. Number two, la manovra di sorpasso non va effettuata se la carreggiata non è sufficientemente larga. You see, you know, carry out your maneuver. If you know, say your carreggiata, you know why they know, you know, give you the sufficient reason and for you to carry out your maneuver. So, non vai effettuare, okay? Non carry out your maneuver like that. Okay, we go further. Stabilito che esistono le condizioni per eseguire. Later, we know the two explanation at this one, no worry. Stabilito che esistono le condizioni per eseguire il sorpasso con sicurezza. Il conducente che decide di sorpassare ove consentito, ove consentito, poi segnalare la manovra di veicoli che possiedono con la clacson o lampeggiando con i proiettori abbagnati. Now, don't point number one say when it be say you want to carry out your maneuver, so when you say you don't ready to carry out your maneuver, so you need to signify, you need to give sign of that maneuver to most will be say they proceed, they follow you with a klaxon, which is your horn, or with your lapejando of abaniante. That is say your full headlight, make the motor for see am for his screen or for his side mirror, say this person they intend to maneuver, or if you blow ping ping ping, make that person take call that person attention, make that person know say they try to maneuver. Now these two signs, and they give us, and be the sign where they tell us say we go fit do poi segnalare la manovra ai veicoli che possiedono con il clacson o lampeggiando con i poitoria abbagliate. Ricordo che dove azionare indicatori di direzione. That to say when you want to carry out your maneuver, make sure say make sure say you give the sign of your trafficator, maybe that indicator di direzione, quindi per know the side where you dey go. 3 dot. Poi quindi iniziare la manovra a una distanza non inferiore ad quale di sicurezza, sorpassando normalmente a finestra. You no need to carry out to start any maneuver with distance wey you know say e dey inferior, e no dey superior, e dey inferior, and this for safety reason you must overtake normally for your left hand side, because na left hand side dey take dey overtake. The only reason for you to overtake for your right hand side na when you be say the motor dey your front don show trafficator saying dey go left. You now no need to waste time again. You don't see and say the bend go left. You stop you slow, pass the right hand side comot. Without this reason, so you know if you overtake for right hand side, na only left hand side. But for quiz, if they tell you say no mind supersare at destra, tell us na fast, because in caso the any other thing, in case of any other thing important, you fit overtake for your right hand side. But if they tell you say normalmente supersare at destra, tell us na fast, because normalmente na sinistra, non normalmente a destra. But no mind supersare at destra è falso. That to say you can never overtake for your right hand side is a falso. Okay, now let's go. The question they put for here now. The question for you say prima di iniziare una manovra di sorpasso occorre azionare indicatori di direzione. That's vero. Before you go start your overtaking, they say make you on your trafficator of your direction. Where we say you try to overtake, go. È vero. Number 2. La manovra di sorpasso è si effettua di norma a sinistra. Your overtaking, for you to carry out the effect of your overtaking, the normal way to do it is from your left hand side. È vero. The next one we did that place again, 225001. No, number one for that place che cos'è? Il conducente che intende sorpassare deve accettarsi che la visibilità sia tale da consentire la manovra. Driver wey be say e don get intention to overtake must make sure say deve accettarsi, must check well, must get am say e know say this vision for am to overtake so e allow am to overtake well. That to say if the vision no clear, if you no sure say this vision clear, no go. That to say your point of view must be very clear before you overtake. Okay? Number 2, sorry, il conducente che intende sorpassare deve accettarsi che la manovra passa compienza senza costituire intralcio. You wan overtake, we get the intention to overtake, must make sure say you don check and say your maneuver wey you wan overtake so go complete without say you no go cause hindrances, you no go constitute hindrances. Is it vero? I no fit read all the question finish because of time now. I wan jump from number 2 to number 5, but the jump am before we finish. The wetin matter be say get the message clear. Before you overtake, your point of view must be clear. Before you overtake, and the data go dey wide enough. Before you overtake, you know of course hindrances, you know of course pericolo. All those things na wetin you will apply till they prove vero. If you pass all those ones, not be vero na falso. Okay. Number 5 now, il conducente che intende sorpassare deve accettarsi che la strada sia libera per consentire la completa esecuzione del sorpasso. È vero. The driver wey be say e don get intention say e wan overtake must make sure say e check the road, say the road dey very free and the road go permit am to complete the execution of this maneuver. Is vero of the overtaking. Number 7, il conducente che intende sorpassare deve tenere conto, maybe you hold something for your mind, tenere conto, hold on for your mind, deve tenere conto di effettuare eventuali veicoli che provengano della direzione opposta. Now, you will be driver wey be say you wan overtake, you must get am for your mind, you must hold am for your mind say the motor you wan overtake so, you must make sure say motor no dey come for your front before you overtake, motor no dey come for your opposite. No be say you see say motor dey come for your opposite you wan overtake. Now, you go fit still overtake if motor dey come for your opposite on one condition, you dey in clear view say your vision tell you well well say before you overtake this motor finish, that motor dey your opposite no reach where you dey. But if the distance no clear well, no overtake because you wan cause accident, you wan cause pericolo, you wan cause intralcio, which is hindrances. Number 10, then we move to the next one. Il conducente che intende sorpassare deve accettarsi che nessuno segnale verticale vieta la manovra. Now, before you overtake me, you make sure say no straight line dey your middle wey tell you say you no go fit overtake. Which straight line dey talk about? Stretcher continua. So when stretcher continua dey there, you no go fit overtake. But if stretcher continua no that place, you go feel overtake. That is why they tell us again for number 10, say, i conducente di driver che intende superare, we be say che intention to overtake, deve accertarsi, must they assure che nessuno segnale, no sign vertically vieta, no sign, no vertically send forbidden la manovra to overtake. Because I did that for textbook, I'm very sorry. Now, I don't shot to almost 5 questions when I read just now. Because of that, I made that 1 minute say do one now. Okay. I did number 5 just now. Those who not get textbook, now we can read that. For those who get textbook, and also not getting what just happened just now. And those who not get textbook, I just shot the something. So I apologize for that on my fault. Number 5, number 7, and number 10, I read just. I have to now read again. I conoscente che intende superare, also not the man for there. I conoscente che intende superare deve accertarsi che la strada sia libera per costituire la completa esecuzione di sorpasso. They say the driver will be say get attention to overtake must make sure say the road wey dey wan overtake dey very free before e go allow am to complete the execution, which is to carry out the wheel to overtake. È vero. Number 7. Il conoscente che intende sorpassare deve tenere conto, must hold in mind eventuali veicoli che provengono dalla direzione opposta. Now you will be say you wan overtake, you must get out your mind say as far as you get attention to overtake, no motor dey come for your front o, because if motor dey come for opposite of you, you no need to go. But dem no say make you no go. The reason why you no need to go be say the distance wey the motor dey na go determine whether you go overtake or not. If the motor distance no go make you complete the overtaking, you no need to go. But if you go make you complete am, say even though I dey overtake 2 or 3 sef, you no go near me, then you can go. So be careful before you overtake when you know say you dey for Dopia Sensor Road. Okay. Number 10, why I call it again just now. Number 10, se conducente che intende superare deve accertarsi che nessuno segnale verticali vieti la manovra. Anybody wey be say wan overtake, anybody wey be say get intention to overtake, must make sure say e dey sure say no sign of vertical line the forbidden to overtake, which is stricta continua. So that 1 minute down to 2 minutes. Let's move on. One tell us now, nelle fasi di sorpasso il conducente è tenuto. That to say the wrong way to overtake wey driver dey keep they do for road. Then they want to tell us now. So they want to give us the wrong way. We say we're not supposed to overtake like that. Okay? And fast, maybe the fast way they do things fast vero. Irregolare la velocità in relazione a quella di veicoli da sorpassare, lasciando sempre un margine della sicurezza proporzionato alle velocità dei due veicoli. È vero. Now, your imagination will be say you want to overtake, you must regulate and well, and that your imagination must be in good security system, a good safety system, according to the motorway dey your front, wey be say you want overtake. So motorway is slow small, you go see overtake am with not be too much of speed. The motorway still dey on high speed wey you want to overtake am, your speed must high pass that motor speed. Let me tell you say na doppia velocità. Now you no go use doppia velocità to overtake am, but at least if you say doppia velocità na fast, so but your speed must high pass motor wey you dey overtake. If the motor dey run 100, you need to use like 120 or 110 to overtake am. So if the motor dey run 100, you no need to use 200 to overtake am, your speed is too much. They try to tell us be say who dey overtake na the high speed pass who no dey overtake. While you wey dey wan overtake, you go slow down small, make that person for fit overtake so that accident no go happen. Then number 2 dot affiancare, which is side by side, i veicoli da sorpassare sulla sinistra tenendo un'adeguata distanza di sicurezza laterale, evitando di tagliare la strada. Now you will overtake for side by side, you must make sure say the distance wey you give the motor an adequate distance for the motor wey dey your side before you go eventually cut the road, come out and enter again. It's vero. That will say if you dey cut the road, dey come out go the other side, get adequate security distance, safety distance. As you see dey cut the road, see enter, see get adequate distance. Now the picture be this now for that number 2 now. Check. That number 2 now, see the distance wey this red motor want to overtake. E not too near the green before you go that Kosia. And when you see that Kosia, you can't see near the marginal strata for that second line that side, so that a lot of people go dey center so that you no go draw this motor follow body. Then when you want to enter the front, you make sure say you pass the motor first way before you enter the front. Now that one they tell us just now for that race. Faço rispetto fase di rientro della sorpasso, il conducente deve effettuare manovre brusche e riportarsi sulla strada sulla destra appena possibile, senza stringere o tagliare la strada ai veicoli sorpassato così da non costringerlo a frenare bruscamente o a fermarsi. In pratica occorre controllare che esso sia bene visibile nell'specchio retrovisore interno. Now, they try to tell us now, say, driver wey be say he wan try enter the road again must make sure say he carry out the driving way well without do which is a maneuver is brusque and the appena possible as soon as possible wey be say you wan take enter that road so make you make sure say censor stringere you no draw that motor follow body or tagliare la strada you no cut the road in the wrong form wey be say you cause accident a veicoli sorpassare così da non stringerlo frenata bruscamente you no see stringere the motor you no draw the motor you no see do your brake quick the front of the motor wey you don overtake or fermarsi or you come go stop for motor wey you don overtake for the front na wrong thing you dey do in pratica occorre controllare la eso se bene visibilità in the practice in that your way we see you dey do am so practically make you control your vision well before you enter the road again with wetin with your side mirror specchito retrovisor interno the one wey dey inside so as you don overtake the motor finish you for inside your mirror you go now give you the clear view where that motor already dey the minimum view where that motor dey to check well before you go enter the road dem no tell us say the side mirror now na inner mirror dey tell us lasciare una distanza di sicurezza proporzionale alle velocità della veicolo sorpassato now leave a good safety distance properly and the speed wey be say the vehicle wey you wan overtake still dey go so your speed must dey okay and you must leave better distance na dey tell us so according to the speed wey you wan take carry out that maneuver. 3 dot completare la manovra nel più breve tempo possibile rientrando nelle corsia di destra. They say make you complete your maneuver with a very short, what they say breve, mean short, very short tempo, very short time as soon as possible before you go enter the road. Don't be say as you dey overtake, you go stay the other corsia for a very long time. No, as you overtake and so in a very short time, few breve tempo, which is short time, you go just enter the road again as soon as possible. Okay. Now, I'm read the question concerning what I don't explain. See, number one question. Il sorpasso si effettua tenendo una adequata distanza laterale da veicoli che si sorpassano. Driver wey be say you wan carry out the efforts of overtaking must make sure say e tenendo get e ten that good adequate distance sideways side of that vehicle wey be say you wan overtake è vero your distance for the side according to that picture must be enough of distance wey be say you know take draw that motor stringere follow body. Number two. Dopo aver effettuato una manovra di sorpasso, il conducente dei veicoli deve riportarsi a destra appena possibile senza creare pericolo o incrocio. Now, they tell us again, say, after you don't overtake, after you don't carry out the effort to overtake, so make that driver will overtake, so make sure say report back himself to the right hand side, appena possibile, me as soon as possible, without saying no create hindrances, and not create danger, pericolo, danger, incrocio, hindrances, infracio, hindrances. Okay. Then they still give us another question for there again for the dark place. Quando si inizia il sorpasso, è consentito segnalare la manovra ai veicoli che procedono lampeggiando con i proiettori abbagliati, which is your full headlight. Now, before, quando si inizia, before, when you be say you want to start your maneuver, so maybe that quando si inizia, make sure say they allow you now to signify the maneuver system with that motor dey your front, say you want maneuver, what you want to signify, and so they say me signify that person, make you give am the sign with your full headlight. As you flash a full headlight, the person will pay attention. You go want to know why you flash a full headlight, then you will start to do your traffic detour. The person will come and say, okay, you want to overtake. If now the person to increase his speed, he will increase. If now for the person to start to give you the chance to overtake, he will give you the chance to overtake. Number two question for you again. Zoom out for your side if you know the scene away. Number two question for you, nelle eseguire, which is to drive something, okay? Driving something. Nelle eseguire la manovra di sorpasso occorre regolare la velocità in relazione alle quella di veicoli da sorpassare. Now, when we say you dey drive, they go, you want overtake. So they say occorre, make you occur, say you regulate your, make it occur to you, so you go regulate your speed in the reaction, the reality, according to the motor where you overtake that motor. No, if you dey the same speed, you no go fit overtake that person. If your speed low pass that person, you no go fit overtake that person. That will say your speed must dey in reaction to high pass that person, before you go fit overtake the person. But not be say you go come make am double, which is dopia. Maybe the person dey 50, you want to dey 100. No, it no make sense like that. Okay, but just let your own high pass in small. 25007 nella fase di sorpasso il conducente è tenuto a evitare di stringere o di tagliare la strada a veicolo sorpassato. Now, for you to carry out your maneuver, wey be say you no cause am in a false way, you need to make sure say you avoid to draw that motor follow body or to cut the road in a wrong way because say you dey overtake. Is è vero? Now we go again. Say la carreggiata. Remember, I said the us before that. I say if you want to overtake carreggiata, go there wide enough. Okay. Say la carreggiata or semi carreggiata. When they say semi carreggiata, I talk about only one cusia. Okay. Se la carreggiata o semi carreggiata sono suddiversa in più cusie, il sorpasso deve essere effettuato sulla cusia immediatamente alla sinistra dei veicoli che si intende superare. Okay. Now, if carreggiata or semi carreggiata they divide into cusie, which is different cusia on this so the overtaking wey be say we wan overtake, the effort of that overtaking must make sure say we carry out that effort of overtaking for that cusia immediately at our left hand side for the motor wey be say we dey intend to overtake. Sulla carreggiata a meno due cusia per senso di marcia, cusia wey be say na at least na two cusia e dey and na one direction all of us dey go. Il conducente dopo aver eseguito un sorpasso poi rimenerà sulla cusia stessa, stessa di sé, stessa per sorpassare un altro veicolo. Okay. Now, they try to tell us now, say, if now one direction and that Kosia be way for the way for the overtake, so you get the right to make sure say you still remain for that same Kosia, that very Kosia way for the overtake. So that's you know come back to the right answer. So as far as you do you know cause a encroachment, they say you do take care, not create encroachment because you know cause a hindrances. All of us they go for one lane, not be Topia sensor road and sensor unico. Let me call and say, a meno due Kosia per senso di marcia. Senso di marcia see means senso unico. When you overtake for that sensor unico road, you have the right to still remain on your left hand side because they don't want me you cause hindrances. But if you still say you want to come to the right hand side, no problem. But you still have the right to remain there. And they tell us that to say nothing forbids you. Say you don't overtake, go left, you could be wrong, come up for your left hand side. Now the other road, another one for the function, which is the Doppler sensor. Let's read the question with that place. Number one, dopo aver eseguito una prima manovra di sorpasso in strada a meno due così per senso di marcia è possibile eseguirne un'altra senza rientrare a destra se non si crea incrocio. Now, when you don't overtake, when you don't carry out your overtaking for your first overtaking for the road, you say at least two kusia and a sensor the marshal which is sensor only kusia. Is it possible for you to carry out another one again? As far as say you know go cause hindrances, even though say you know want come to the right hand side, as far as you know go cause danger, they say it is possible for you to carry out another one. Which that to mean be say you can overtake more than two motor, more than one motor, more than three motor for the sake kusia where you did for sensor only road as far as say you know they cause hindrances. Il conducente di veicolo sorpassato deve agevolare la manovra. This word agevolare la manovra, it shall make us know say na to facilitate and they use that mean. So when you see am for quiz, it means they say you facilitate with that person wey be say e dey try to overtake you. And not accelerare, that to say make you not increase your acceleration, which is make you not increase your speed. La propria datura riducedalo le say necessario. Then for you to go further, for proper way for you to go further, make you reduce your speed if necessary. Now, driver will be say vehicle one overtake must facilitate for that overtake. You say that they carry out for that road. That will say if I want to overtake you now, you need to facilitate. You don't need to speed again. You need to contest with me again. You don't already say I they try to overtake you. What you need to do now to for you now to make sure say you reduce your speed. Me for fear overtake you finish so that accident not go happen. If now you see they overtake me, I don't say you overtake me. I go use this word they tell us for you say agevolare, which is to facilitate, so that you fit carry out that maneuver smooth way where accident not take happen for road and no need to come dey follow dey drag the road again when I don't see say you dey already dey overtake. Okay. They can't go again, they can say evitando di gareggiare in velocità, make you avoid to dey do gyrate with that person with speed wey be say dey try to overtake you so or the pericolo in trash or make you can cause hindrances or make you can cause pericolo for road just because they overtake you alle circolazioni. Su strada unico così per senso di marcia deve tenersi il più vicino possibile al margine destro della carreggiata. If you dey for senso unico road, they say you dey overtake the go so you need to person overtake you need to try as much as possible to dress to the right hand side road very well. That to say that white line wey dey for the right hand side road wey divide the road and the banking you need to near there. They don't say make you come out for the road though. The reason why they say make you near there now because they want make space this center so that the motor will overtake you and the motor they overtake they not go hit each other, they not go drag each other follow body. Queste cotture, which is this caution, vengono soprattutto se si viene sorpassate mentre sopraggiunge un veicolo da senso opposto. Now, this method they try to tell us since this method na caution that they give person wey be say they try to overtake, and this person try to overtake so must make sure say you no go cross motor wey they try to overtake for opposite. In generale si ricorda che mentre si viene surpassate siamo convinti un incidente. Now, in general, they record say when person dey try to overtake you and you now see now you no wan still give the person the right way to overtake, e go fit convert to accident. Okay, so that will say if person dey overtake you, allow am to go, no do jarret with am, no do competition with am, make e overtake me, you go still reach am. Si poi avere un parte di responsabilità se non si è fatto il possibile per facilitare la manovra di sorpasso, you go see dey part of responsibility. If e be say person wan try to overtake you, na you no make am possible for that person to overtake, you no make am easy for that person to overtake you, and maybe accident go happen, they say you go pay part, you go take part of the responsibility for inside. You no go dey on only the person wey dey overtake. They go still make sure say that person wey no gree make dem overtake am, e must still be part of the responsibility because na him no make am possible, no make am easy make the person for overtake am. 1 minute. Elevata pericolosità da sorpasso è determinata del rischio di ottenere. Now, they tell us now say the pericolo and the determine of danger wey be say we go see for road, the risk wey be say we go meet if we wan overtake to people wey be say we dey overtake, na dem wan tell us. Point number 1, altri veicoli che intendono compiere la stessa manovra. Now, you don already see some other motor don already get in ten tion and the motor don already dey start to say e wan manoeuvre. If you sef wan still follow am go do manoeuvre, e go cause pericolo to other people. That to say no go again because you wan go determine the pericolo wey wan come happen with that. Number 2, il veicolo da sorpassare mentre si è in fase di avvicinamento. Motor wey be say e wan overtake now, e go dey wrong way, very very close to motor wey dey overtake, e go still cause pericolo. That to say before you overtake motor, no too near am. As you dey overtake am for side, no too near am with side. You don overtake am finish, you wan enter the corsia back, make sure say the distance is enough before you enter your corsia back. Un altro veicolo letteralmente in fase di affiancamento a causa della ridotta larghezza della carreggiata. Motor wey be say e dey side by side in the force of nearly in shoulder, side by side in shoulder, and you see know say that carreggiata say e reduce, you see dey carry out manoeuvre, e go fit cause accident. Okay. Number 5 dot. Frontalmente un veicolo che proviene, I should say I dey read wetin una dey see so. Okay, yes. Frontalmente un veicolo che provenga in senso contrario, that to say contrario, when they say contrario, you don do something opposite of something. Now you dey in front of the wrong way, na fast you dey do so, na force overtaking you dey do, e no good. Okay, motor dey come for your front, you see dey overtake, na force fast so you dey do so. Okay, na sensor unico road, you dey go dey overtake, that to say you wan come turn am to doppia sensor, na that road make us frontalmente a veicolo che provenga in senso contrario. Sensor unico road, you dey overtake in a way you go come become wetin dey call am doppia sensor road, na fast so you dey do so. The last dot, il veicolo sorpassato in fase di entro in corsia. You wey be say you dey overtake now, you wan come over enter the corsia again in a wrong form, e no good. All those things na wetin be say go fit elevate to pericolo, which is you fit elevate, you fit increase the danger of road and you fit determine risk to other people, ottenere, na be other people, and they just tell us so. Now, because of time, I wan make I just start for the second page, make I just go more one again. Now, make one question again. Lo spazio necessario alle manovre di sorpasso aumenta. The space wey dey necessary for us to carry out our maneuver dey increase. Say il veicolo da sorpassare accelerare, if the vehicle wey be say you wan overtake increase its acceleration, which is speed, you must also increase your own. Sì, aumenta la distanza di sicurezza tra i due veicoli se si vi è poco differenza di velocità fra i veicoli sorpassate e sorpassato. Now, if you be say you wan overtake a motor, you need to increase your safety distance. Wey be say you wan overtake two vehicles and you see say you get just small difference within the speed wey those two vehicles dey, you need to make sure say you increase your own more so that the one you dey overtake and the one wey be say you don fit overtake, you go fit complete am. Okay, it's vero. Now, let's still continue for here. Notivamente se si deve superare un colonia di veicoli. They say make you get notice, make you make sure say you get notice, whether make you for know whether it go dey possible for you to overtake motor wey dey colony. When they say motor dey colony or motor wey dey line by line, and you wan overtake a lot of them, you need to keep better notice. In relazione, which is in reality, all'immagina la benza sai dei veicoli che surpassa che di quella di surpassare. Then you need to, in reality, you need to imagine the largest, which is the longness of motor wey be say you dey try to overtake with the one wey be say you dey use to overtake before you go overtake am. Maybe na your own long pass or maybe na your own way you dey overtake long pass. You need to imagine their two first before you go. If na your own long pass, you need to imagine the kind of speed wey you go use. If na the one wey you dey overtake na long pass, you need to also imagine the one wey you dey use. Put a reality before you go start your maneuver. Let's go to the question and we end here. So we go for the business of today. Number one question. Il conducente dei veicoli che viene sul passato deve agevolare la manovra di sorpasso e non accelerare, è vero. The driver will be said they try to overtake. Il conducente dei veicoli che viene sul passato, they don't say you will overtake, they say you will be said they come to overtake, che viene sul passato. Okay, in case you're saying for quiz, you will be said they try to overtake, deve agevolare, you need to facilitate la manovra di sorpasso e non accelerare. And you need to accelerate again. You need to increase your speed again because acceleration è the speed. Okay. Number 2 for there. Il conoscete dei veicoli che vieni sul passato, you will be said overtake again, che vieni, they come to overtake you now. Nelle strade a una corsia per senso di marcia deve tenersi il più vicino possibile a margine destro. You will be said they try to overtake, so you must try as fast as you do senso di marcia, senso unico road. You must try to make you dress as soon as possible, or any way possible, make it near the right hand line where you did that place. This è vero. Now, 25004, number one for there. Lo spazio necessario da sorpasso aumenta in relazione all'immagine dell'altezza dei veicoli da sorpassare. Now, the space within necessary for you to overtake must increase in reality, according to the very big longness of that motor, wey be say you want overtake. It's a vero. I jump number 2. Let me say I don't first all of them because of time. So, maybe not remain here. I go number 3 now. Lo spazio necessario a sorpasso è maggiore, vuol dire maggiore increase, maggiore se vi è poco differenza di velocità tra i veicoli. The space will be necessary for you to overtake it dey very high. If you know say na just small difference of speed na you and the motor wey you wan overtake get. Okay? Number 6. È pericolo effettuare il rientro dopo il sorpasso se la manovra costringe i veicoli passati a frenare bruscamente. Now danger na you wan cause if you carry out the effort so you dey try to enter road dey go you don first comot and you come go dey draw motor follow body wey you dey overtake and you come dey hold your brake dey anyhow na pericolo na you wan cause. È pericoloso is pericolo which is danger. È pericoloso effettuare il rientro dopo il sorpasso which is number 6 na dey read. Dopo il sorpasso after you don overtake say la manovra costringe if you come say your maneuver wey you don already maneuver come go dey draw motor follow body wey you don maneuver na pericolo na you cause. Ok, 25008. I read two questions for there again. Far good down. Il conducente dei veicoli da sorpassare ha l'obbligo di non gareggiare in velocità con i veicoli sorpassati. È vero. Driver will be say they try to overtake, not get obbligo for them to do gyration with motor, gyration in speed with motor will be say they try to overtake them. It's a vero. As far as they overtake you, mellow down. No do and no green and no green. And if they're different, no. As far as it already start to overtake you, let them they go. Anytime you see chance to overtake again, do your own. But not be say they overtake you, they overtake us, they overtake you, they overtake or you want overtake you, they block and you want overtake you, they block and no. They say you do not get obbligo to do that one. Obbligo di non gareggiare in velocità con i veicoli sorpassati. È vero. I read number 4 question for there again. All question is important. Il conducente di veicoli da sorpassare ha obbligo di tenersi il più possibile vicino a margine destro su strada a unica corsia per senso di marcia. I don't feel explain this one before. Make I read another one. We see later another way. Okay. Number 2 for that place. Okay, number 3 for this place now. Il conducente di veicoli number 3, il conducente di veicoli da sorpassare ha obbligo di fermarsi appena possibile per fare defluire il traffico se guida un veicolo molto lento. Now, driver will say they want to overtake. It gets obbligo for her to stop appena possibile, as soon as possible, to reduce the traffic of that road. If you know say motor wey dey ride dey very, very slow, very, very slow. You know, see your motor dey very, very slow. Person wan overtake you. Then they say if it dey possible, make you stop. You get obliged to stop as soon as possible. Say you don't get clear place for stop, so that person go fit overtake you. Let's assume say I dey your front, my motor dey very slow, and you dey my back. I know say you need to move forward, and my motor no good. I dey waka small small. So immediately I reach open space when I know say you go fit come overtake me now, then I go just kukuma stop more for road, make you for pass where they go, because I know say my motor dey disturb your movement. Now that one I try to tell us, make I read am again, make you pay attention. They not just say everybody. First, we say motor they go very, very slow. Number 3 for 25008. Il conducente, which is driver, the vehicle that surpassare, driver be say they want overtake, ha l'obbligo di fermarsi, get obligation for her to stop appena possibile, as soon as possible, per fare defluire, that's make you know make the road cause they make the road dey flowing where il traffico se guida una veicolo moto lento. Say if you miss say you dey drive motor, say it dey very, very slow. What's the time now? Okay, we'll go for 25007. I did only 2 questions for there. Just want me to start for the other page. Okay, now number 25007. La pericolosità dai sorpasso è determinata dal rischio in utero altri veicoli che manifestano intenzioni di compiere la stessa manovra. Okay. Dangers fit occur for road. If fit determine danger and risk to other people, other vehicle, wey be say you don already see say motor don dey take manifestation say im don dey carry out maneuver, you sef still dey try to carry out your maneuver for that safe place to maneuver. So you go fit cause pericolo. So once you don say the person don start, you just wait make e finish im overtaking before you go overtake. Even though say the person dey your front, then you start to overtake the one dey your front, leave am make e first go. Even though say the person dey your back, then the person come outside wan overtake you and the one dey your front, and you wan overtake the one dey your front, leave am make e first overtake you and the one overtake your front. Then they try to tell us. Okay. Then number 5 questo for there. La pericolosità del sorpasso è determinata della ridotta larghezza della carreggiata. Pericolo, na pericolo is still be to us. It still determine pericolo for us. If be say we want to overtake and the larghezza, the carreggiata dey very reduced, ridotta, so e not dey large. So na pericolo na go still determine for us. That to say we no go carry the overtake any for carreggiata wey be say e no wide enough. Last question for that place. Se si viene sorpassati mentre sopraggiunge un veicolo dal senso opposto, è consigliabile ridurre la velocità. Now, you wey be say dem wan overtake now, and you don see say na senso unico, na senso opposto, motor dey come for the front of una too. So they say they consider you make you reduce your speed. You wey dey overtake, you go get a lot of space to quickly enter your front. As you do that one, so you don help the maneuver to go well. They tell you say na consigliabile, they no say na obligo. But that consigliabile be say they just consider am for us, make we do am, so that make we no come say we don lost our right of way. No, we do am make accident no take happen. We no do am because say we foolish driver. I stop here.